period, period. I have my period every month. I have my period every month. Pregnancy, pregnancy. I am in my 9th month of pregnancy. I am in my 9th month of pregnancy. Morning sickness, morning sickness. I feel morning sickness sometimes. I feel morning sickness sometimes. Sanitary pad, sanitary pad. I use sanitary pads during my period. I use sanitary pads during my period. Tampon, tampon. I find tampons more comfortable than pads. I find tampons more comfortable than pads. Menstrual cup, menstrual cup. A menstrual cup can be worn for up to 12 hours. A menstrual cup can be worn for up to 12 hours. Bra, bra. I wear a bra every day. I wear a bra every day. Panties, panties. She prefers cotton panties for daily wear. She prefers cotton panties for daily wear. Birth control pills, birth control pills. I take birth control pills daily. I take birth control pills daily. Thong, thong. Thongs can be uncomfortable for some people. Thongs can be uncomfortable for some people. Menstrual cramps, menstrual cramps. I get menstrual cramps every cycle. I get menstrual cramps every cycle. Hair loss, hair loss. I noticed some hair loss lately. I noticed some hair loss lately. Gynecologist, gynecologist. I visit my gynecologist regularly. I visit my gynecologist regularly. Breastfeeding, breastfeeding. She is breastfeeding her baby. She is breastfeeding her baby. Armpit, Armpit. I shave my armpits every week. I shave my armpits every week. Menopause. Menopause. I am going through menopause. I am going through menopause. Body odor. Body odor. I use deodorant to prevent body odor. I use deodorant to prevent body odor. Bikini. Bikini. I bought a new bikini for the beach trip. I bought a new bikini for the beach trip. Pepper spray. Pepper spray. I carry pepper spray for self-defense. I carry pepper spray for self-defense. Corset. Corset. The corset helps to shape my waist. The corset helps to shape my waist. Pregnancy test. Pregnancy test. You should take a pregnancy test if your period is late. You should take a pregnancy test if your period is late. Giving birth. Giving birth. She is giving birth at the hospital. She is giving birth at the hospital. Nipple covers. Nipple covers. She wears nipple covers under her dress. She wears nipple covers under her dress. Overflow. Overflow. The pad overflows during my period. The pad overflows during my period. Pantaliner. Pantaliner. I use a pantaliner on light flow days. I use a pantaliner on light flow days. Armpit hair removal. Armpit hair removal. I get armpit hair removal every week. I get armpit hair removal every week. Condom. Condom. He always uses a condom for safety. He always uses a condom for safety. Discharge. Discharge. She notices a light discharge and visits the doctor. She notices a light discharge and visits the doctor. IVF, in vitro fertilization. IVF, in vitro fertilization. They consider IVF to have a baby. They consider IVF to have a baby. Breast pump. Breast pump. She uses a breast pump at work. She uses a breast pump at work. Review. Period. Period. Pregnancy. Pregnancy. Morning sickness. Morning sickness. Sanitary pad. Sanitary pad. Tampon. Tampon. Menstrual cup. Menstrual cup. Bra. Bra. Panties. Panties. Birth control pills. Birth control pills. Hair loss. Hair loss. Thong. Thong. Menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps. Armpit. Armpit. Menopause. Menopause. Gynecologist. Gynecologist. Body odor. Body odor. Bikini. Bikini. Breastfeeding. Breastfeeding. Overflow. Overflow. Corset. Corset. Pepper spray. Pepper spray. Giving birth. Giving birth. Panteliner. Panteliner. Pregnancy test. Pregnancy test. Breast pump. Breast pump. Condom. Condom. Nipple covers. Nipple covers. Discharge. Discharge. IVF. IVF. Armpit hair removal. Armpit hair removal.